Hi, this is Kirk with Forex Strategy Secrets. We want to talk to you about making hundreds of FX pips trading trends. Now, the market's been researched for and studied for over 100 years. In general, the patterns are consistent in all time frames. Now, these patterns are not exact, but they're close enough that you can recognize what's taking place in the market. I'm going to zoom in a little bit on this so you can see that right in here is a major trend. You can see that the trend did not just keep on going straight down the whole time. It went down and up, down and up. It has these retracements and rests, but the overall trend went down. And then now it's actually started in a trend going back up the other direction. Now, traders who usually use the larger time frames are more likely to have more success. They'll capture more pips in the long run. We think that they can do that less time in from the computer, less stress and emotion by trading larger time frames. For example, we have a day chart showing up right here. You can see right here it was going sideways for about three days or so, and that would have been hard to trade on a 30-minute. So let's go to a 30-minute on this left-hand vertical bar and see what the market looked like at that point. So you can see this would have been hard to trade right there if you'd been trading the smaller time frames. Now I'm going to move over to the right a little bit, and you can see that this is where the market actually was able to be traded on a smaller time frame. Now, if you'd been in the day chart, you could have traded this whole section here, but you have to get used to waiting for it to move up and down. We've heard over the years and heard many different people talk about you need to have higher highs and higher lows, and that's correct information. And they suggest that you usually have to have 3 higher highs and 3 higher lows before you're into a trend. And right here you can see that there are 3 higher highs and 3 higher lows, and then the trend is actually formed. So it's some place in the process of moving up in the trend. So in order to trade this, you're not even getting into the trade until clear up in here. Now this is still 250 pips right here on this little portion of this trend on a day chart. But what if you were able to get into this trend earlier? And this one went about 800 pips or so. So that's the thing you want to do, is you want to be able to find the trends early, and this is an extremely valuable skill. And we found over the years, trading hundreds of indicators and tens of thousands of charts, that you can find these trends earlier. And you can do that by using time frames as well. So once you find a larger time frame, like the day, then you confirm it on a smaller time frame, and then even a third lower time frame, you time the entry. So use the indicators as well as the time frames, and you can pick up a big chunk out of most of these trades using the larger time frames. Also, we've noticed over time that you don't have to spend that much time in front of the computer by using larger time frames. If you use the smaller time frames, they're moving so quickly that you have to be there, or else you're going to miss out on the entry of the signal, or you're going to get miss out on all the profits you could take out of a trade, and it'll come back on you. Now, if you're wondering where you can get this information as to how to trade these trends, we're going to give you an offer. You can go to www.ForexStrategySecrets.com, and we have a free jumpstart strategy that you can trade with a little bit. Also, what we're going to do is give you access to our trading room. This is for a full month. That way you can jump in, trade alongside successful traders, and see how the market moves, and how you too could be making some FX pips trading the direction of the trend. Now, we're going to make a bold statement here, and that is, if you trade with us for a month, you'll never look at the market the same way again. And that's pretty straightforward. And we can show you how you can do it in less time, with less effort. You can learn the market faster, and you can really have a lot of fun. It can be a more enjoyable experience than you ever thought possible. So in summary, you need to find a trend early, use 20, 25 currency pairs, as many currency pairs as your broker has to offer. You need to be able to confirm that trend on different time frames, and then enter on a even smaller time frame to time that entry so that you get the maximum amount of pips out of that trade. Still taking a chunk out of the middle. You're not picking tops and bottoms. Now you can learn to find this trend quickly, confirm it quickly, and enter quickly. So you don't have to spend a lot of time over analyzing. You don't need to think too much. Just act on the initiation and the presence of proper signals and knowing how to do that. So come join us at ForexStrategySecrets.com, sign up for a free jumpstart strategy, and take advantage of trading with us for 30 days. And that will be a change in your trading career. Whether you're experienced or new, you will still walk away looking at the market totally different than you saw it before you came. So I hope this was a help to you in trading the trends and making a lot of FX pips. And we'll talk to you another time.